Here's my honest take on Metanail. If you've ever avoided sandals, closed your toes in photos, or felt embarrassed at the salon or pool because of how your nails and feet look, you're definitely not the only one. Dry cuticles, rough skin, dull, fragile nails. Most people just slap on random creams and hope for the best. But your nails and feet need more than a basic moisturizer if you really want them to look healthy and well-groomed. Metanail Serum Pro is a 20 in one nail and feet essential formula designed to support the overall look and comfort of your nails and skin. It's a lightweight serum you apply directly where it matters most. One thing that stands out, Metanail is pure, clean, and focused. It's made without chemical coatings or unnecessary fillers, and it's non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free, so you know exactly what you're putting on your body. Inside you'll find a botanical power trio, witch hazel, Scots pine, and horsetail extract. Together, they help care for the look of your nails and surrounding skin, supporting a fresher, more refined appearance. Gotu Kola helps support your skin's natural protective function, while rosemary and pelargonium gently nourish the skin and moisturize the cuticles, so the area around your nails looks smoother and better cared for. Glycerin helps hydrate and soften the outer layer of your skin, while organic green tea and hops bring natural antioxidant properties to the mix, supporting the overall appearance and resilience of nails and feet. Vitamin C and E support collagen production, the structural protein that helps give your nails shape and integrity. Hyaluronic acid and MSM rounded out with ingredients known for supporting strength and smoothness. Jojoba seed oil and sage leaf extract are included to help support long-term comfort in nails and feet, so they don't just look better in photos, they feel better in your everyday shoes and on long days. On the Metanail page, people like Rachel and Michael share how their nails look better than they have in years, and how they're no longer embarrassed to show their feet in public. Less hiding, more confidence. Using Metanail is simple. Apply the serum to clean nails and surrounding skin as directed, and make it part of your daily self-care, just like washing your face or brushing your teeth. Consistency is where the magic really happens. If you want to go further than surface care, there's also Metanail Total Cleanse, a separate supplement designed as a general detox support. It's meant to complement the serum by focusing on internal well-being. With select packages, you also get bonus guides like Supercharge Your Body and Biohacking Secrets, resources focused on immune support, energy, focus, and overall performance, so your self-care goes beyond just nails and toes. Metanail ingredients are handled according to the USDA National Organic Program in an FDA-registered, inspected facility. That means strict standards, controlled conditions, and attention to detail in every batch. Maybe you're thinking, I've tried oils, creams, and nothing really lasts. That's exactly why Metanail is built as a 20 in one formula to go beyond one single ingredient and support multiple aspects of nail and feet appearance at once. If you're ready to stop hiding your feet and start actually caring for them, click the official Metanail link in the description. Check the ingredients, read the reviews, and choose the package that fits your routine. Imagine a few weeks from now, looking down and actually liking what you see.